Good morning. Welcome back, guys. So, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The month is May. So, today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Oops, I forgot to change that. It's the 5th, guys. The weather is partly sunny. It's going to be probably in the 90s. It's going to be very hot. For social skills, remember, we are learning to not quit. Remember to be active and do your exercise. For your social skills lesson, who is your favorite Disney character? Mine is Woody. What is your favorite character? For today's agenda, we will be doing reading. So don't forget to do the rest of your work. Submit your picture for a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I will help you. Let's get started.